Alright, here we go. Spirit Universe Facebook page. Quick video. Look, it's like this. Comes to every eggplant human. Well, there's a particular... It's like this. There's a particular sound that sounds like... You know, it's like... I'm not gonna make the sound, but... It's like... Kia, 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 kia. That sound gets louder when it comes to every eggplant humans. And the thing is, it can get really loud or not. Fade in and out, left and right, and so on. But the main thing is, for every eggplant human, that's the worst possible fucking death you can happen. Because you just don't know, and that's it. Because, it can get really loud, bam, you're dead. It can get really loud, oh, someone else gets killed. And, you know what I'm saying? So there you go, that's all it is. And that's by Yoctosecond itself.